Hey guys, in today's video I have a huge home decor Goodwill haul plus 2 items from Kirklands. So many of these items were inspired by Pottery Barn. So everything on this table came from Goodwill except for 2 items and then some of the table decor. So if you want to hear more about these items, keep watching this video. So I had to make a return at Kirkland's and it was past 30 days, so I ended up getting a credit. And I like to use my credit the same day that I receive it so that I don't lose it. So what I found was this wreath, and I thought it was really pretty. It's in the colors that I'm using for fall, and I thought it would be pretty sitting on an island with maybe a pumpkin on top. Now it does come with a little hanger, but I think it's way too small to hang on a door. But you could use it on, say, the door of a cabinet. And it was $17.99. Next, I found these napkin rings, and these are like little fern greenery picks. And you just slide the napkin through the hole. But I thought these were also pretty because I felt like you can use them during all seasons, and you could put a little Christmas decor on it, something for fall as well as spring or summer. And they were on sale for $1.97, and the regular price was $3.99. So I thought that would be a pretty centerpiece. I just placed a placemat on the bottom, put the wreath on top, and then just placed a pumpkin right there. And you can use this in the center of your table as a centerpiece. Now this is your centerpiece idea for the week, guys. Okay, you could also use it with a hurricane. And I think it looks pretty like that. Just something simple you can use on your island, or you could use it on your kitchen table as well. And then you could place pumpkins inside, or you can place a candle, which is always a good idea. And this particular candle was a happy find from Goodwill. Now this candle was at Goodwill, but it did not have a bottom on it. So you'll see where I have it taped, or my husband, aka MacGyver, he repaired it for me because it didn't have a back to the candle. And so took another battery operated candle that I wasn't using, and he took the back off of that one and put it on this one so that the metal piece to the back could make the connection with the battery to get it to work. Anyway, sounds complicated, but like I said, aka MacGyver got it to work, and I'm so happy that he did. And this was at Goodwill for $3.99, so I thought that was a good buy. $3.99 was well worth the price. Okay, so now since we're on candles, let me show you this crystal candle holder that I got from Goodwill as well. And I thought this was just adorable. It is in the crystal, which is very popular right now. You see a lot of people on the hunt for those crystal geodes and different stones. And so this one, like I said, is a candle holder, and it has a little light inside. Really short, but it fits right perfectly down inside of there. And I thought this was really pretty. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, maybe on my entry table, but when I saw it, it was a little pricey, $7.99, but it was on the 50% off sale. Okay, so next I saw these candlesticks, which reminded me a lot of the ones that I purchased from Kirkland's a couple weeks ago. These here, and I thought I had a set of 6 in the box, but when I got home it was only a set of 4, and I really wanted a set of 6. So when I saw these, I thought, maybe I can paint these to look like these, and then I will have a set of 6. And so that's what I'm going to do for these. Hopefully they won't be exact, but I think I can come pretty close. And these were $4.99 each, and they were also part of the 50% off. And so this is what the candle holder looks like when it's lit. I think it's very pretty, and I can't wait to find a place to put it. Okay, so now let's move on to the vases and the bowls, or as some of the younger people are calling these vessels. Now, I'm old school, so they're vases. So I wanted to pick up some wooden bowls and then some ceramic or clay vases. I have been seeing quite a few of the wooden bowls and some of the clay pots online, and so I've gotten a little inspiration on how I might paint them. I'm thinking most of these will get painted a cream or gray or some neutral or stone type color. Obviously, I'm not painting this one. So let's talk about this one. I like the detail on this as it is, and it kind of reminds me of, or will work well with some of my French country decor or some of my old world decor, and so I thought this was really pretty. It has a nice crackle finish in the ivory, and so this will stay as is, and it was $4.99. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah. And so I thought that was really pretty. I thought it would match very nice with things that I already have. And so this particular one, it reminded me of a piece that I saw on the Pottery Barn website. And I'll share some of those examples with you so you can see some of the colors and the direction that I'm going for. And so when I saw it and I saw the size of it, I thought this was one not to miss. This one was $5.99, and so I thought that was an excellent price for the size. And I probably will paint this one in like natural tones, some grays, and I don't know. We'll wait and see, but I'm thinking lighter, definitely lighter, not this. Okay, so this will get painted. This will get painted. This bowl will also get painted. It is like a wood, but it has a lacquer finish on it, and it does have some little scuffs on it, but that's not a problem because I knew that I was going to paint it. Plus, it was on the 50% off sale. It was $4.99, and I got it at 50% off. So I will paint this one as well. Okay, so this next one here, this also had a nice glazed crackle finish on it, and I like the raised print on it. It has the look of a French country piece, and I think it was maybe originally a canister, and I did look it up online and I saw a bronze lid that came with it. I'm not going to use it with the lid. I think I just want to use it maybe to put some greenery inside or some flowers. Okay, so these next couple items are nice to use for accent pieces on a bookcase, maybe a console table. I had mentioned to you guys that I am making over my office. So I had the office in mind when I saw these. And I thought 2 of them would look nice on the top of my bookcase. And then this piece here, the smaller piece, I thought would look nice inside of the bookcase. I plan on taking the rope detailed area and painting in a off-white, and then doing something different with the metal part. So you'll have to wait and see. And lastly, I picked up 2 lamps. Now the one on the left, the short gray one, I picked up to go in the study, and even though it's gray, I am going to paint it a different shade of gray. I got a lot of inspiration from the Pottery Barn website. And then the other one here on the right, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I thought about the dining room, and then I thought about the entry table. Or it may go in the kitchen. But they were $7.99 a piece. So that's it for the haul. I do think I have quite a bit to keep me busy.